Up already.
Up already and it even gone.
Grab this. Jordan, come grab that boxer. Yeah, what lucky doing? Lucky do? No, that one. Can't walk on now. Yeah, hold up. Sporty then?
Gym.
You gotta work out with ducktail spoil and lip.
Yeah, more.
Press it one. Press it in man. So how long? What's that doing?
It all, Jacob what do have. Yeah, you smile bright, but we living in the dark. Yo, 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 yo.
Nah, I just like the running place.
Activate.
Yeah. I wanna find this.
No, say a good car you can buy for your daughter, me killer. Check it out. Just bring it in. You can hide that. Bring it to the junkyard. So you have ya.
Yeah, no, nice.
You know, some have that lip there in there, sir.
Say anything.
You see spoiler where you have car in a chop, you know? Oh, my different if I miss you. Yeah.
Just yourself in your bother.
Just a few brother.
Yeah.
Joel. Man, come here down and answer feel bother.
Man,
Bless.
I remember them ones like I know someone in Jamaica.
I say, come on. Why you see me run Joel, man, off your axe question?
I like that. I be a white boy, I'm seeing some money.
Bad man, white boy. Some killer being white boy. Right now, he want to use car and then he forward, he make too much blicky. I'm blicky in here, man. Blicky.
Blicky, yeah? That's all I mean, information.
Be a car,
Ready? This have to know.
So your boy go get.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why nobody want to sell it. Man, I have plans, Jacob. Come on, look by it. Cameraman now sit up.
You know like that.
Hey man, you introduce the cameraman.
Yo, Jordan. Speed.
Oh, then you could just say, yo, if you can't read. You could have said, yo, you can't read.
Oh, yeah, kind of on your shirt.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Full suit of Jordan. Jordan. That's what they shoot me. Say, man, I show up easy. Man, I wear name for them clothes.
Yeah. Yeah, you think so?
Alright? Yeah, right.
Yo, this someone underestimate me like you want to think me an idiot, you know?
Alright, everything is okay.
It's a cool bad man.
Jordan, the thing active already.
Jacob.
Nearly right.
Jacob.
No.
Boy, I take me for idiot, you know?
Nearly right. You know what I'm saying? It stink already. You want what can them do? They go inside one them do. That's how I go on, I'm seeing you.
2ZZ me but
yeah, see you there, boy.
see it there.
Oh, this look too fraud, dog.
Be a foolishness you're chatting.
I don't know why you carry name by you.
What name you get?
Kiki, Riri, I don't know your name. No, Riri, I have Riri already. Kiki, what? TT. I don't know your name.
Like you want to go down in alphabet?
That me I say, but I have Riri already. No.
Yeah.
So, what is huh? Name it. Yo, you know I work. What did I say? Yo, you have a name for start working. So we work according to how the name.
The name.
I remember the name. You can know what we do to the name. Know the name?
I don't know yet. I gotta come up with something.
Yeah, we can't touch it yet. Come up with it. Next thing we have to leave the lip in a black because the name where you give. Because the name you have to bring off the flavor with the name. So what you mean?
A few hours later.
Alright people, so let's all stand this. As after spray the two-sided tape now hold it on the truck. I don't know if y'all can hear me from this far, but sand, two-side tape. That's it. So, the dilemma is this no curve enough to the trunk to kind of sit. So I can pull back on each side. So I can pull back. So this is a solution. Squeeze it down. Yeah, like that.
A few hours later.
You know put on lip on here, Jordan?
No. I gotta learn today though.
Okay, like how that sound.
Yeah.
Alright, here we have to do now. El trunque, the lip is in the.
El trunque.
Yeah. You know which box?
No.
That one, yeah.
I only box in it. And then
Flip your camera now. So people, I'm gonna show you the slip. To show you a picture of what the slip look like. Prior to what I'm going to show you, it was black. I bought it on you. Just think I buy it on YouTube. I buy it on eBay. I bought it on eBay. And I got it sprayed because I know see me a white pan white. And really like I feel like you can't have enough black. You know think so, Jordan?
what?
You can't have enough black sitting pan already, right? You know you don't black lip.
You don't need no more.
Exactly. So people, take a good look at the front. This is before, doesn't it?
Yeah. Mighty God.
Yeah. See, it's
Holy
looking
smokes, dude.
Hold on. I don't know if we can show people because camera now. Hey Bigsby, turn on flashlight.
Look at that, man.
See that?
That's pearly white.
Very pearly. It's a pearly girly.
Yeah.
Alright, take out the other piece.
Now to check out the other stuff. What is this one?
Another part of it. So you know you have franchise in here, so you put on your lip on a plastic bag.
I'm with you,
Oh, you know.
Idea, man.
Can just throw
And
down
then-
it so. One side. Alright, so here what we're going to do now. We'll fit it up together.
And then show it after.
Show it, yeah.
Okay.
You see it now?
Yeah.
See the vision?
See, started up.
Yeah. Watch it pray now. Boom. Slide good on like that.
You forgot yet, I can know see
You just see your badness already, don't you?
Yeah.
You know, see you?
That's gonna be nice, man.
Your father don't play with them things, you know? Alright. First step that complete.
Now we had a step of me.
Yeah?
Well, let me cook. Well, yeah. I just. Oh, Jesus.
Eh?
Oh,
Screw.
screw and ass. Okay.
Or screw.
Risker me run up in mileage. Too bad bitch that talking highway.
Yeah.
Screw. Tape. Jungjang tape. See there? Chinese condom come with it too.
Free car.
Yeah. So it look like it's small. Screw them. Have to screw the lip together. See them, yeah? They make a shorty, yeah? Going in here. See it?
And there. Wait, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay. You know, bro.
You see? Hope already?
Up already and it even gone.
Come on. You change your whole face.
Yeah.
Let's see what I go on. This is it.